Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to unlock Oppo mobile Applock plus face lock. Friends, you want to unlock your Oppo mobile app with face lock. So friends, now let's see how to unlock app with face lock data one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you have logged any app. So friends, you can see YouTube app is logged. You want to unlock YouTube app with your face lock data. So friends, now let's see how to use face lock plus app lock. Open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, scroll down here, open your phone password and biometric setting. Then friends, click here add face setting. Click here continue option. First of all, you will have to set your lock screen password. Select your lock screen password type. Friends, I will use 4-digit password and my password is 1234. Remember your password. Be careful. If you forget your password, you cannot unlock Oppo mobile. You will have to erase all data. 1234. Next, click here continue option. Show your face and you add your face lock data and you can use it. After show face friends, click here done option. Now friends, how to use face lock plus app lock setting. So friends, you want to use app lock setting with face lock data. So friends, click here password security setting or password biometric setting. Open your phone face lock setting, enter your password. After enter password, click here use face for setting, app lock setting and private safe setting you want to use, so you can use. So friends, I will show you app lock. Okay, click here right click here, enter your privacy password. So when enter your app lock password, okay, your privacy password enter. After enter password friends, you can see face lock plus app lock you can use, app lock plus face lock you can use. So friends, open your phone app lock setting, click here app lock setting, show your face, you can unlock your app lock setting. And if you click here enter password, enter your password, app lock setting will on. Friends, click here back button, again open your phone privacy setting, click here app lock, don't enter your password, show your face, app lock will unlock automatic. So friends, you want to unlock app lock plus face lock data, so you can unlock app lock plus face lock data. So friends, you can see if YouTube app is locked, we will on YouTube app. Show face, YouTube app will unlock, enter password, YouTube app will unlock. First of all, enter password, YouTube app will unlock. Now off your screen, on your screen, enter your lock screen password, open your phone YouTube app, show your face, YouTube app will unlock. Second friends, show your face, YouTube app will unlock with face lock data. So like that friends, you can unlock your app with face lock data. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.